Hi, I'm Jessica, and I'm plant manager of our Greenville, Pennsylvania facility at Quanex. I've been working for Quanex for a little bit over a year now. I started with Quanex as a quality assurance manager, overseeing about 4 different facilities for quality and helping assist those plants in increasing their quality to our customers. And since then, I have moved up to this plant manager position. I think the spark of my manufacturing came from my upbringing. I was brought up on a dairy farm in central Wisconsin, and I think even though farming in and of itself isn't necessarily manufacturing, it gives you a sense of, I did this with my hands. And that was something that I always loved. I was always a hands-on learner in school, which drove me to kind of tinker with things as I was growing up. I kind of say I didn't choose manufacturing, but manufacturing chose me, where I love manufacturing. I love the fact that I can spend all day working on something and I can see my results at the end of the day. I think one of the greatest things with Quanex is there's so much support. So there's nothing that you have to just figure out on your own. There's other plant managers that you can always go to, bounce ideas off of. You're never out on your own. If you need some help with an engineering solution, we have an engineering department. If you need help with product development, we have product development. There's quality, there's operations, there's EHS. You never have to know it all. You just have to know the right people to help sort you into the right direction. Quanex has the opportunity for growth. You never have to come in one position and feel like you're gonna be stuck in that one position. There's different divisions of the company. There's Quanex Custom Components, there's NAF, there's all sorts of things that you can move from one side to another. Or if you wanna stay within your division, that movement to better yourself, better your career, and strive to be better, that opportunity is there for all employees.